What's going on, pumpkin people? Got some exciting news this week. Stick around. All right, we're back for another week, and the weeds have sprung. Here we go. Current temperature is 87.2 degrees. I'm not sure if you can see that on the thermometer. In the soil, soil's looking a little dry. I got to just maybe water this a little bit before tonight. Let's go take a look at these plants. Step into the greenhouse, and boy, we have grown since last week. Got your first true leaf, second true leaf, third true leaf, fourth true leaf, and we got a main vine, and she's starting to lay down. And you see that right there, that little tiny leaf there? Those are your secondaries starting to develop. A couple male flowers deep in that secondary, you can see them. And there's that main vine tip right there. So coming along, she's starting to reach for the sky. So we got to get that vine to point in the right direction. Gonna take a little bit of coaxing, but now's a good time to adjust the plant because it's really sunny out, as you can see. Really warm in here, and this plant is a little bit pliable, so I can apply some gentle pressure, just a little bit more to get that to lay down. But we're almost there. I think we're ahead of last year. Got my little space heater, looking really good here, so happy with the progress so far. No more yellowing of the leaves. That's the second true leaf right there. That's pretty normal because of the cold nights. And then the third true leaf looks a lot better. Nice green. Not seeing any nitrogen bloat or anything. But I could start up in the fertilizer here a little bit. Gonna give it some fish. We're gonna get some biologicals. And we're gonna give it some, what is that? It's escaping me now. It's from Ron Wallace Organic Wonder. It's the Plant Marvel. That's right, Plant Marvel. High in phosphorus. Get those roots established really deep and make them spread out. But updates are getting a little bit better now, so we're starting to lay down. We're starting to vine. So hopefully by next week we're out here somewhere. So thanks for tuning in this week. Until next time, growing big.